Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicles and clean energy. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a game-changing new EV that's shaking up the automotive industry. Imagine an electric pickup truck that costs less than $20,000. That's right, folks, Slate Auto is introducing its ultra-barebones electric pickup, and it's so affordable, it's like buying a computer parts kit on steroids. This tiny, boxy truck has all the essentials: 2 seats, a bed for a sheet of plywood, and plastic composite body panels that you can paint yourself to your heart's content. The Slate Pickup is basically a DIY enthusiast's dream come true. You get the basics, but it's up to you to customize it with over 100 available accessories. Want more passengers? Just choose one of 2 SUV options and you're good to go. How about some personality flair on the outside? Get a wrap, decals, or add some fender flares. This truck is all about giving you what you want. Now, before we dive into the specs, let's talk about the catch. This ain't your granddaddy's electric pickup. The Slate Pickup has limited range, just 150 miles on a single charge, and it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles like a touchscreen or infotainment system. But hey, who needs that when you can have a truck that starts at $20,000? In fact, if you're willing to go barebones, you can even get this truck for as low as $20,000 after federal tax credits. That's right, folks, we're talking about one of the cheapest EVs on the market. And with its 52.7 kWh battery and 201 HP powertrain, it might not be the most powerful vehicle out there, but who needs speed when you can have savings? But what really sets Slate Auto apart is its direct sales model, straight from Tesla. You reserve your truck for $50 and then pick it up without all the frills and fuss that comes with traditional car dealerships. It's like buying a computer parts kit on steroids, except this time, you're getting an electric pickup truck. So what does the future hold for Slate Auto? Will there be enough buyers out there who want a truck that's more DIY than deluxe? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, this ultra-barebones electric pickup truck has caught our attention, and we can't wait to see how it plays out in the market. That's all for today on Electro Drive News. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest EVs and clean energy innovations.